English has strong opinions about bedtime. There is hay involved, and logs, and chickens with alarm clocks. Here are 8 idioms about sleep. Number 1, up with the chickens. Chickens do not snooze. The sun appears and the flock is up loudly. Being up with the chickens means awake at first light, whether you agreed to it or not. Number 2, burning daylight. Every idle minute after sunrise is fuel on the fire. Burning daylight means wasting the good working hours. The sun is on the clock. Are you? Number 3, hit the hay. Before mattresses, beds were sacks stuffed with hay. You hit them to chase the lumps out. Hitting the hay simply means going to bed, lumps optional. Number 4, sawing logs. Listen to a champion snorer and you will hear it, the long rasp of a saw through pine. Sawing logs means snoring industrially. Number 5, out like a light. Click, darkness. No wind down, no thoughts, no lullaby. Out like a light means asleep the instant your head touches anything soft. Number 6, sleep like a log. A log does not toss. A log does not turn. A log has never once checked its phone at 3 a.m. Sleeping like a log means deep, unmovable rest. Number 7, a cat nap. Cats sleep 16 hours a day and still nap between naps. A cat nap is a short, strategic snooze, 10 minutes, 20 tops, purring optional. Number 8, rise and shine. The curtains fly open. The cheerful voice arrives. You are expected to do both, rise and shine. Rise and shine means wake up and get moving brightly. That is 8 idioms. Sleep. This concludes today's episode. Go hit the hay. You've earned it. So much watching. If this helped something new, please like and subscribe for a new idiom every single day.